Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Microsoft Edge on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Microsoft Edge, and now from here we need to click on the hamburger looking icon, bottom right hand corner of this page here, and then we need to click into settings. So go ahead and tap into settings. And now under settings, scroll down and you'll see accessibility. Go ahead and click into that. And then we've got text scaling. At the moment it's set to 100%, which is kind of which is standard when you got Microsoft Edge. So to increase the font size, move this slider to the right and you can see the text changing in size. So yeah, left to make it smaller, right will make it larger. So yeah, just have a play around and see what size you want to make it to make using Microsoft Edge text reading a bit easier.